You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this confusing word. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary and pronunciations in English, stay tuned. There are many more videos for you. So we need to break down into British English pronunciation and American English because they are a bit different. It comes from French austere, which is why the spelling is confusing. So in the UK, British English, austere, austere, austere. Now in American English, in the US, in the United States, the pronunciation is generally as austere, austere. Okay, so let's listen carefully. British English, austere, austere. American English, austere, austere. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.